Good morning, guys. Sean here, Beige HBK from D Sweet Deals. And today's video, we're going to be showing the other side of reselling, the parts of the hard work you got to do if you're working from home or if you have a warehouse. You always got to have some type of upkeep on the property that you're working from. So today we're going to be repainting this deck. As you can see, it is pretty much due for a new coat of paint. All the mildew setting in. So we're gonna be repainting the deck and the rails. Switch the color up, make it look like new. So the game plan for today is to paint the deck for the first half of the morning, then do a little bit of thrifting the other half of the day, finish up the business work, get the shipping done. The motivational word of the week is consistency. Stay consistent in everything you do and you will see the rewards of the progress as time goes on. All right, so let's get this deck done. So this first half took longer than I expected it to take, and we had a few mishaps while doing it. I took a short break while I was painting to hit the thrift store around lunchtime, got a few things, dropped off the stuff to the post office. But as you can see at the rails, we're all done. It's about 3:30. I started at 8 o'clock. Did the windows and stuff. Let's get a better view. So all the rails are done. What is left is the floor of the deck to be painted. We did the rails on the windows and the doors also. So this is next up. We're going to take a short break, finish this off before the sun goes down, and then I will give you guys the final review. Little mishap. Wind wasn't working with me today. All right, guys, it's the next day, and we're looking at the finished results of the porch. Like I said, it took longer than I anticipated to do it yesterday, but it came out great. And as you guys can see, this is one of the areas where I do my YouTube videos from. So now we have a different color. So, basic breakdown, we started about 8:30 yesterday morning. We finished about 8:30 last night, doing all the little finishing touches. So now we're back in business, ready for you to, weather permitting, we'll be using this spot. I was able to go thrifting yesterday. I did stop for about an hour and a half. Went, picked up about 5 or 6 pairs of shoes from the thrift shop. Went to the post office, got some business done. Listed late last night, so it was a late working day for us. Now we're back in business, and we're ready to go with the deck. We can do more videos out here. So thanks you guys for joining me on this little journey today. All right, guys, don't forget to go ahead and like and subscribe. Until next time, this is Sean Beijing HBK from D Sweet Deals, signing off.